Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about letter I, J, K and L. Let's start writing letter I first. We have to make big standing line and two sleeping line. Then for small I, we have to put small standing line. I, E. Now let's draw something related to letter I. This is semicircle, sleeping line and again semicircle. See, what is it? Guess, guess, guess. Yeah, it's an igloo. Insect. See, I'm going to draw small circles to make an insect. Insect. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. Igloo, insect. Now you also have to try to draw igloo and insect. Next is letter J. Now look how to write letter J. Joker. Jam. Jungle. Juice. Jug. Jacket. Jelly. Capital J and print J. Now let's draw something related to letter J. Jug. Juice. Joker. See how to draw joker. Draw a circle for face. Draw a triangle for cap. And see the big nose of the joker. Jug, juice and joker. It's lovely. Now you also try to draw jug and joker. Next is letter K. Capital K and small k. Capital and print. See how to write letter K. Now let's draw a beautiful kite. Cake a kite. Kite flies up, up, up in the sky. Cake a kite. And cake a kitten. Cat baby kitten. Mew mew. Mew mew. Now let's color the kite and kitten. Yeah, it's lovely. Our next letter is L. L. Capital L and small l. Let's start writing letter L. Let's draw something related to letter L. L. Leaf. Green leaf. L. Lollipop. Now let's color. L. Leaf and lollipop. Now let's have a quick recap. I-E, J, K, and L. Now you have to write letter A to L in your notebook. Thank you.